Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you align with the vibration of your desires and your success so that what you know is yours can flow towards you quickly and easily. While we all have beautiful desires and dreams we wish to manifest, what we often forget to remember is that everything is energy first, and that like energy attracts like energy. It really is quite simple, yet we are complicated beings who get caught up in the optics of the physical world. Let this meditation help you vibrate with the same frequency of your ask so that you can receive what you want. Because what you want also wants you. I'm so glad you're here, dear one. Get yourself comfortable in a seated position, and whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Let yourself become aware of your breathing. Let your inhale stay soft as you allow your awareness to float all the way up to the top of the inhale. And let your exhale stay soft as you allow your awareness to drift all the way down to the bottom of the exhale. Softly inhale, softly exhale. Soften your body. How soft can you let your breath become? Inhaling softly and gently, exhaling softly and gently. How much can you soften? How deeply can you soften? With each breath, can you ask more of you to soften? Can you soften all of your muscles? Can you soften your joints and ligaments? Can you soften your bones? Can you even soften your skin? What else wants to soften? Ask and then allow it. Ask for the softening, and then allow the softening. Notice how when you ask your body to soften, it responds. It answers with a softening. It wants to soften naturally. That is its natural state. That is its desired state. It just needs you to ask, and then it needs you to allow it. Your job isn't to figure out how to soften. Your job is to first ask, and then to allow what you have asked for to happen for you. Tension has no place here. Resistance has no place here. Only allowance. Only allowance allows you to receive what you have asked for. Softness allows, tension restricts. It does not allow. Keep breathing softly. Let your chest and your ribs soften even more with each breath. Let your belly and your hips soften even more with each breath. Let your jaw soften even more as you feel the air gently moving in through your nose and out through your nose. Let your chest soften even more as you feel your ribs moving out and in. Let your midsection soften even more. as you feel your belly expanding out and drawing in. Feel the movement. Follow the flow. Allow the softening to take place, to happen, to occur without your effort. What is it that you want? Can you see it? Let your vision be your ask. Can you feel it? Soften and let your body receive the answer. Let your body soften into the feeling of what you have asked for. What is the feeling of what you want? Is it love, freedom, joy, peace, abundance? How will you feel when you receive what you have asked for? Soften and feel those feelings now. Feel those feelings entering your body like the air through your nose. Feel those feelings expanding through your body, creating space in your chest. Feel those feelings rising, filling you up as you fill your belly. And breathe. Let the movement in your breath, in your body, move you towards your dreams. And let the softening in your body allow your dreams to flow towards you. Move towards your dreams. Allow your dreams to move towards you. What you want wants you to. Let it come. Allow it. Let it come now be here already now. Take some final moments to soak up the good feelings of your dreams, feeling them now in this present moment. And then whenever you are ready, gently allow your eyes to open. I hope this meditation helped you feel into the energy of your desires and helped you allow your body to soften into that energy. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.